In this section, we'll introduce public cloud authentication. FineReport has established a public cloud authentication server, allowing customers to initiate authorization requests by filling out authentication information in the decision-making platform. These requests are sent to the public cloud authentication server for unified validation. Just like the other registration methods, public cloud authentication involves only 4 steps: obtaining version information, sending an email, receiving the license, and completing the registration. Let's go through the steps with a practical demonstration. Step 1. Use your admin account to log into the decision-making platform. Click on System Management and go to Registration Management. Capture a complete screenshot of the version information module and save it locally. Step 2. Send an email to FineReport's business department at business@finereport.com. It's advisable to use the email specified in the signed contract for easy reference. The email subject should accurately describe the purchased product's name and your company name, example, FineReport license for FineReport Software Co., Limited. In the email body, include 4 essential pieces of information: your company's full name, avoid abbreviations or nicknames, the registration method, public cloud AUTH, the maximum number of connections, default quantity is 1, if you need to increase the number of connections, contact the sales department to confirm, and the public cloud account name. If you don't specify a public cloud account name, the business department will generate one for you. Finally, attach the screenshot of the version information. Once you've confirmed all the details are correct, you can send the email. Step 3. Once the business department receives the email and verifies its accuracy, they will generate a public cloud account and password and send it to you via email. Step 4. Upon receiving the public cloud account and password, log into the decision-making platform with your admin account. Navigate to System Management, Registration Information. Click Register Now, choose the registration method as public cloud, and enter the account and password provided in the email from the business department. Click Submit to complete the registration. When the business department sends the email, they will specify the maximum number of connections available. You can check this on the public cloud registration page. If you need to change your project server in the future, first check the remaining connection slots. If there are slots available, you can directly use your original server's public cloud account to register on the new server. If there are no available slots, you need to unbind the original server's account first. After unbinding, you can use the original public cloud account on the new server. Click Re-register Unbind to unbind the old server's account. The original server's account will continue to occupy connection slots if not unbound for more than 24 hours.